జీబ్రా కదా.
I should.
Yes, correct. Attach those two.
Yes.
Yes.
Here.
Now find elephant legs. Where elephant legs are? Blue color piece.
Wait. I'll check the giraffe here.
Elephant face and elephant trunk.
Now.
And now legs. Where are the legs? Yes, now elephant is also done. Now look into the picture. What is the next one? Zebra. Now find out where zebra patches are. Yes. Now correct. And this one correct. Do it next one. Zebra head. Okay. Yes.
Then after that.
Then after that, what is there? It's a lion.
And watch penguin.
Lion.
Wait a second.
Correct. Doing it correctly.
Where?
Lion. You attach that one in front of this. In front of this, yes. See, there is a zebra stripes. Can you see the zebra stripes there? Then fit here. Yes, correct. Correct, huh? Or wrong?
Yeah, correct. Look.
Correct.
Just a mask.
Next, lion body. Attach the lion body to that. Good. Now, whatever you have attached, this bring it to the front. Yes, correct. Attach those two pieces.
Or else I don't know how to do it again. That's why I build it.
Okay, attach it.
Here.
Super. And the next.
Can you move aside?
Yes, and the final piece also can attach.
Wait a second, not done. Yet, like this.
Yes, finally.
Look.
You made the jigsaw.
I did it.